they can't garnish Washington state paid leave. He also then told me that he had moved all of his vehicles into his girlfriend Lita's name so that they couldn't put a lien on it. He inherited a house from his dad, who's passed away now. He's leaving it in his name and not refinancing his name so that they can't put a lien on it. Mr. Foreman has never willingly paid for anything for these children unless he is garnished. There has never been one payment made. I asked him during this time of not getting any child support if he would help pay for Jack's baseball stuff, as I was not getting child support, extracurricular, medical, anything, with no response back. The totals were $60. I have those exhibits as well. This is not a for clarification. This is strictly about the money. I've asked him to clarify multiple times to me, how would you like me to send your bills? Would you like me to use that? Would you like me to email? What would you like me to do? This is absolute neglect of these children that I'm trying to take care of as best as I can. Asking me to pay this back would just be lacking in the bills that are already racking up that I'm having to pay because I can't bill him for them until I pay them.
Thank you, Ms. Foreman. Just a quick question. Ms. Holder raised an issue that at the end of January, there was some communication allegedly about how much do I owe, and the indication from Mr. Foreman was that he didn't receive a call back. Can you give me your detail on that?
Absolutely. So they actually included the text message in in their last declaration, and it's not a how much do I owe you. Those words have never come to me in the time that I've known Mr. Foreman. The text message is, are you going to send the deal so I can claim Jack on taxes? This conversation had happened multiple times before this text happened. And with him not agreeing that medical was included, I had talked to him multiple times about this. I had circled the parenting plan and sent it to him, and he said medical isn't included. So I was not about to start another argument during this. We had argued for months about medical being included. And as you can see through my exhibits, in the arguments, I'm called a narcissist. I'm blamed for the inflation as a Trump fighter or a Biden supporter. I've been called a money-hungry. I've never asked the child support to go up. And so I was not responding to this text message. And like I said, he didn't ask me how much money was owed. He said, are you going to send me the deal so I can claim Jack on taxes? This conversation had happened so many times that I was not wanting to be called any more names or put down any more. If I would have told him right here again, for the 100th time, after the judge told him, I told him that medical was due, it would have been an absolute fight.
Thank you. And I guess the same question I asked Ms. Holder, what was the amount of the